Hey y'all, welcome back. In this really short video, I'm going to show you how I make these little, well, I call them dead fairies, but you can call them Halloween fairies or whatever you want to call them, out of items from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to put them together. Okay, so what I have here is a pack of these little butterflies from the Dollar Tree and this skeleton garland from the Dollar Tree. And yes, I only have one little skeleton left because I had actually made these last year when I was only working on my blog and I didn't have a YouTube video then, so I'm going back and making videos of all of my older crafts. I'm so stoked for Halloween. I live for Halloween. I know it's only August and I've already got my Halloween nails painted on, my candy corn with the spider webs. I got my vintage amber ring here. I wear a lot of more vintage jewelry in the fall and towards Halloween. But anyway, what I'm going to do is, let me just get this little guy out of this package here. If you can see, the arms and legs are straight. Now if you want to bend them, like I had a handful that I bent and set in my mom's, if you want to bend them, just get a bowl of really hot water and let him soak in there for a little bit, 3 or 4 minutes. And then very carefully, because this plastic is thin, just bend the arms and legs any way you like and then stick them in a bowl of ice water, and then that will cause the plastic to harden back up. Mine, I did some like that, also had a lighter, and I would just kind of fan the lighter under them and to heat this up a bit and then bend them and then hold them in place until they cool down. But the water works better if you're doing this, especially with kids. But you see this little loop on the top of his head here? I don't want that on there. So I'm going to take my scissors and just cut it off. You can leave it on if you want to like run a string through it and use it for some sort of hanging decoration. I'm going to take my butterflies out. Oh, come on. I'm going to pull out the little metal piece. And you can either just cut the antennas off like this and pull the wings off and glue the wings on individually. Or you can just put a strip of glue on here and glue the whole thing to the back. I took the wings off. Just gently pull them out of the little body base there. Like I said, be careful because you might pull them apart. Now I'm just going to flip my little skeleton over here and just take a blob of hot glue right there. And just stick the wings back on, just like that. I'm going to hold them in place just for a second and let the glue harden up. I'm going to put another little blob just right there. Y'all know I like to reinforce the crap out of everything. I always have this fear that I'm going to make something and it's going to fall apart. So I really like to use the glue. There we go. And there we are. There's our little, I call them dead fairies, our little Halloween dead fairies here. Like I said, they look cute. You can set them on your shelf and, you know, leave the loop on them and make a garland. Or like I did, just bend the arms and legs and use them in your flower arrangements. Just something really fast, fun, and simple to make for Halloween. So I hope y'all liked this rather short video. Please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of those will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.